Hi everyone. So if you saw the title of this video, then just stick around and I'll let you know how I came about it. So I am off today and I wanted to come out here this morning. The weather is getting kind of cooler and just sit outside and just enjoy out back. And when I walked outside, it was just like, I don't know, an episode of Hoarders. And I just got so upset. So I had a meeting with myself, and I'm going to bring you along. Like, I am going too far. I notice I keep bringing in plants and setting them all around this area right here. But nothing was really getting done. Now, my husband just got finished cutting the grass, but this was full. It was full of just stuff. So I got myself together, had a meeting, and we got a game plan. And I'm going to bring you along. So the way I'm going to approach this, because if I keep on the track that I'm going, it'll be winter and back around to spring, and I really do want to sit out here and enjoy some things. So I'm just kind of taking it one section at a time. And so today I'm starting with this patio, just getting the table cleaned off, washed off. I'm gonna wait till the whole patio is clean, and then we'll come out here and we'll do pressure washing. But let me show you up here. This is even worse. Now I'm hardening off some of my fall brassicas here, but I got them under this netting because I don't want the cabbage moths laying their eggs and begin to eat my greens while they're still small. I want to kind of build up their immune system so that they can fight off things. So that's why I have the barrier over here. I had to spray my hibiscus because it had spider mites all over it. I still got to pull my tomatoes, my marigolds, but just look at this. This is a mess. This is an absolute mess. And I told y'all in other videos, sometimes I get frustrated and I'm like, we got to do something about this. So I'm also taping this so you guys can see the transformation. This is going to be like the initial assessment because some things have got to get done. Now, in addition to that, let me walk out here real quick and show you what I'm working on, because fall is a great time for us to plant our perennials and things like that. So I knew this area I wouldn't be able to till, so I got my husband to go ahead. He had my permission to go ahead and torch it. So we used the propane and the torcher, and so we killed off like all of the brush that was here. I had to get him a couple times to look at the fence because he was getting a little bit too close and the flame is too high. But I am redoing this area. I've told you before, this is kind of like a memorial to my grandmother because I knew she loved azaleas and all other type plants. So we're going to be working on these on this area. I want to go ahead and get it at least with cardboard or some type of weed fabric down before it starts growing again, because it grows real fast. These are some of the plants that we are going to put in this area right here. But what really has been frustrating me, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, is the fact that we've had so much armadillo damage. And I mean, they have gotten out of control. I think they are like digging serious tunnels all in this yard. One was right here, and I'm gonna hurry up because I hear the weed eater. One was like in here, but I hear them come. I know that they're out in this yard at night because the next morning you can see the damage and we see the light go on from the storage system. But I don't know, I just hadn't gotten up to come out here and see what's going on. But this was a hole that we had to cover. When I tell you they were making a tunnel, they were seriously making a tunnel, and they have some in front too. I got some, let me show you what I got. I think it's Repel All. I don't know if that's working or not. I'm putting down cayenne pepper, but I'm almost to the fact where I want to go ahead and get some traps. But hold on, let me show you what I put down. So I end up getting this. Now I do not use this anywhere by my garden. I did look at the ingredients, but I don't want to take that chance. So I don't put it by my garden. I just put it kind of like over in these areas over here. So I'm not making this video long. I'll come back and we'll show you progress. This is like the initial assessment. I've started potting up some clearance mums that I got. These were $2.29 a piece. And I'm just gonna pot up different things, but I do not want it to look like this. This is not inviting at all. And so I felt like if you come on camera and you know it's embarrassing to yourself, you'll get it cleaned up. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll come back and just keep showing you progress as we go through the week. Now I will give myself a little bit of slack because I have been doing major overtime at work. I got about another week and then that will be over because I don't like working overtime and I haven't been able to get out here and do a lot of things because the time is changing. So a lot of times when I get home, it's already dark, and when we got armadillos, I seen cats back. When we got all these different animals, I'm not coming out here like that because I gotta see where I'm going and what I'm doing. I got garlic I gotta plant, but like I said, I'm not making this video too long. I just wanted to show you the initial assessment of everything that we have got to get together because this is ridiculous. It's really, really ridiculous. So as always, I hope you all come along with me on my journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.